Babe, come here. We got it. They've been waiting all winter for this.
You're right. The shoots have been dry. No food, no crumbs, no stems, no leaves, no nothing.
But today, we feed the block.
It's okay. Let them eat. Come get it, guys. Sit back and watch. Any moment.